myself a wife, yeah. But you turn on me, you turn on me.
Bring it, and then I'll also ask. Yeah. I love you.
The way you paint, it resembles the person that you are. You understand? And then the idea that you're trying to put out to yes, so no matter what so this artistic thing is playing around.
Yeah, I would say that I do like the fact that they are very traditional.
That's what I'm seeing. This is my signature, man. Hey, look for basically, I was just inspired by the brown thing, the brown clothing, you know, and then I just use the brown.
Yes, we're gonna have a sometimes
do it best, it speaks more.
one now.
Sometimes when we do it best, it speaks more. So everyone has to do that. Or just
that girl. No, I think it just... Okay. Well, at least you know where to go and you know the prices. So, exactly. Yeah, goose booze. Or like a new men's association. So, even taking to one of us, I know them because I saw my father.
are very detrimental. Yeah, but how do you know that you can't invest?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and she's 15 years. She's 14 years. So you could see what's in and if our government we should have such lessons where you can speak through art, can speak through sport, can speak like a platform where I take my anger. Someone will do kickboxing for that, but when you will play with paint, inspiration, how they feel. So for me, it was in that if we invest more in also spaces where people buy your board, I would personally like a cool.
That's why it means I love your topic, because it's men's mental health. The majority of the things we're always looking out for females, we're always looking out for the get help. And we forget to the perpetrators that we find kids around. It's neglected from a young age.
So you can tell good to look child instead. So you can see that on him. Now maybe he might even change his mind.
Yeah. Kelafin. Hey, we should solution your life. We should think and imagine that's not the way. That's not the way. That's not the way.
But in some
Akangena ubuke nje. Ubuke lethusi.
Youth mayenza
Sharp money.
she always said,
Oh, that's what
I told him in the morning.
I've
never seen that.
It's behind the silence. So one of these photographs, they try to tell that story of what men are fighting behind their silence. And it's something that starts at their early age when they transit from boys to men, not to that R&B group. But yeah, that's the thing. It has pressure because men are ahead of expectations about be strong, don't cry, provide, fix it. Of which at times it's not even that's over my advice. It's something that it's not questionable because you already they live more in their shanties, in their brain or in their mind. And then by so doing, living in their mind, they get to that thing was no pain because magically they must find a way to cope with what is being expected from them by the society. You see, because there are standards that are set for men, and some of them are not even realistic. So that thing, for Shera Lapaya, who has to find ways to do things the slow plan. This is the slow plan. He's carrying that cigarette and and then this one is trying to escape. But the pain always finds him because now he's not even drunk, he's actually regretting. Because I saw that you are thinking that he's drunk. Nah, he's regretting. You see, because now you can actually reflect, but you can see whatever that he's doing still doesn't fix it because the problem is catching up as soon as the beer gets aligned. So you must get more beers. So that thing, they move around in Pakistan wearing masks because we think people are fine and people are not. So the mask, like I've been saying, it just shows the disconnection between what we see when we look at people and what people are actually going through. Because you see, also, and then the only way for men to actually get help is for them to make that decision and ask for help. You see, this image portrays the courage it takes to break that silence. So the healing starts with a choice, and that choice is to reach beyond the darkness and accept the help. I think that's about it, not unless you have specific questions about these things. Maybe you don't understand something. Behind the silence, the whole series.
Behind the silence. Okay. I have a question in regards to why does it seem like it's difficult for people to ask for help? Like, it's not even people, men, to ask for help.
It's not difficult per se, but people who have experienced something, so it's a matter of experience. But people can't go and ask for help because they once did, and then at later stage they were laughing stock because they tried to address their problem. So instead of them going and asking for help, they opt for some coping mechanism, of which it actually eventually kills the level.
And I don't know if you've seen, guys, majority, you tell me if I'm wrong, y'all are men. So, but what I've observed as a young person is that as a woman, if I will come and vent to you as my brother or as my chomi, instead of you offering me a solution, it's easy for you to just in terms of that is why majority of men will look in terms of substance abuse.